Hello everyone, welcome to the weekly vlog. It's actually Thursday, so we didn't do 3 days of filming due to finals. Now we're done with school. School will start an online course for us on May 30th. But we'll look at our update on the garden so far. What we have here. We got some, here we go. We got some more vanilla pepper growing, petals, mints, basil, our little parsley, basil, and our jalapenos growing more too. See? Started to form. More. Our bell pepper hasn't started turning yellow yet. See? I don't know if you can see it. Bell pepper. There's more flowers growing on our chilies. Our little zucchinis are growing now. It's blooming. And our cucumbers are starting to bloom as well. That's pretty good. Oh, one of the flower petals just ripped off. The watermelon, the flowers actually started to bloom. So we're gonna get some strawberries. And our more tomatoes are growing actually. More tomatoes are actually growing. So the garden so far, they're growing pretty nice and big so far. In the very hot weather too, so let's check up on BMO. So my mom had bought 3 steaks today, and she is boiling some corn and some potatoes in the bottom, looks like it. And here's some baby potato. Oh, they already cooked. They're really good. They're boiled with a little salt and pepper in there. Eating it cold, it's delicious. I'm gonna have this in my mouth soon. So, she's gonna make some steak. Make a video of it now. You gonna show them how to make a steak?
No.
Why not?
Yeah, Mom, yeah.
Using an electric grill to make her steak. Salt and pepper. She's cheating. You cheating! Gotta use it in the pan. You need some garlic in that thing. Some butter. Some fat. And a BMO. You got it? Today we are hiking with my mom and my wife. You can see those geese grew today. Hopefully go along the guys. Oh, the guys are kayaking over there. The river. Any geese? Someone left the Starbucks cup down there. Little bird. Someone's kayaking over there. Let's go. I don't see the birds. Let's go up. How did you feel, Oma?
Tired.
You gotta exercise.
No.
Like a floating hippo in the swimming pool.
No. I'm not seeing
I'm going to see her next week.
There's the big butt over there. Walking up. Asha, I'm recording you. Big butt. It's probably going to be mostly hiking video on this thing, because we had finals this week. We're done. So yeah. There's a bridge. This is the American River Park. I'm gonna try and find the Sacramento River. Let's see how that area is. Whew. Look at all those trees. Look at Ashley. Now let's look at the river, see if you can find the birdies here. No birdies so far. But let's see. And zoom in. There goes.
No fish.
There's fish in there.
Where?
In the water. The
I didn't see any fish.
river's thick. It's deep.
I didn't see any fish.
Well, we'll go in. You can go swim like a hippo and find out yourself.
No.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
No.
Uh-huh.
No.
Alvin will love this river, won't he?
Who cares?
What are you being such a crybaby for?
I don't want hiking.
You gotta go hiking so you
I
can
don't
lose
want
weight.
a bird.
Why you want bird?
I'm scared.
Of chicken?
Mm-hmm.
Hope the wild chickens are here.
I'm scared.
You're gonna catch it, you're gonna cook it.
No.
You're gonna hit it with your butcher knife.
No.
Yeah?
No.
Yeah.
No.
They're in the bridge. See, there's gonna be chickens here today. I don't hear any chickens. So I don't think there's gonna be chicken. But there's a butterfly, see? If I can find it.
I can see the butterfly.
There's a butterfly right there.
No, I can't.
It's a California butterfly. What they found over here. Native Americans. We used to be from mining. See? Feral chickens and lizard, butterflies. Oma! Gotta go back now. Ashley! Ashley! Back! Found chickens? Let's go back. Let's walk around the river.
It's baby.
Yeah. Yes, Mom, it's a baby. So we saw chickens over here. A little chicken today. We found some duckies. If we could zoom properly.
That's Land, that's Ashley, that's me.
It won't. There you go. Finally, is able to zoom.
Land,
Huh?
that's Land, that's Ashley, that's me.
So you're the fat one. We're taking a different route. River's right next to us. My God. My gut hurts so bad. This is a really nice day. And they're walking further from me. I don't know why. They're plotting something evil. They're evil. Look, geese. Now you're going to another bridge. I wonder where the baby ones went. Fine, there's how the bridge. The geese and the ducks sleeping. Huh? They do?
That's what they're sitting over there, isn't it?
Maybe. One's coming out. No, no eggs. Nope, they just want to stay dry. The big geese came by and pushed them off.